Hello guys, welcome back to Any Vibe Concept. Where you get all your graphics, photo, video editing tutorials. Alright guys, in this video I'll be showing you or teaching you how to add transitions to your video. Okay, how to add nice super transitions to your videos. Okay, stay tuned and watch guys. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add a transition to a video. Okay, so all you need to do is you open your InShot application. You select the video you want to use. Then I've selected mine. Tap on the video, then split the video. You can see split right there. Split the video. Now in between the two clips you're going to see a little dash down there. Tap on the dash. It's going to open a new page where you see all the transitions you can make use of. Okay, as you can see, all the transitions are there, so you can select any transition of your choice and use in your video. That is how to add a transition to your video. Okay, very quick and easy. Thanks for watching.